Sa mga animal. Sabay, mag-ikot-ikot sa forest. Bato-bato. Look at this kind of animals. Cannot see well because the head behind. Over. Uy! Lakad ka, lakad. Ay! Okay to go out? Ah! Almost like cannot walk. Look like sick.
This one.
Ah, yes. Big the stomach. Ay. Angry. There, the look there. Dito kami sa lake. Lake. You hold me, I will take you. Not afraid, oh.
No.
Gustong lumapit, ah. Ay, nanonoktok yan.
She wants to eat.
Want to talk with you. See, why you are here? Until here, you are very far. I said no. Saba? Oi? Saba? Oi?
Doesn't like if we go here. That's our place.
Wait. Regard. Hello? Said, no, that's not new, yours. Oh. She want to kiss. Swan.
Make beautiful.
Adjo.
Sin.
Adjo. Yes, sin.
Sin.
Oh, there. The mountain, no? Very nice here. No? Ang lake na ground. Tapos ito yung mga building sa tabi ng lake. Ito yung lake na to. Pag pag winter, pwede ka mag-ice skating dito. To, mag-ice buong lake. Mag-ice to siya. Maraming tao dito pag winter. Kasi talagang maganda maglakad sa buong lake, tapos mag ice skating. Ganda talaga ng mga ito dito sa Vale do Zoo.